Kaya sa lahat, sa lahat ng fellow traders, kung gusto niyo ng chill night or ayaw niyong may stress, hayaan niyo munang lumipas yung balita. Marami kasi na medyo may pagkasugarol or gambler traders na they like to ride the volatility of the market. Kaso, that volatility is definitely gambling. It can go either way. So some people love the thrill. So kung kayo, gusto niyo ng konting stress, gusto niyo ng a little bit of action sa mga puso natin, gusto niyo kabahan ng matindi, mag-trade kayo ng gabi. Or during high impact news night. If you are looking for reliable forex trading education, dito tayo sa iPro. Bakit? We teach quality knowledge for free. Plus, we have a supportive community who learns together, trade together, which eventually grows together. So tara sa next forex trading orientation. Click the link sa description or comment section to save your spot now. See you sa next bootcamp, Kaya Pro.